current situation is we have no heat in our apartment. We have lights, but no heat. I'm not sure how that quite works, but I'm getting concerned because it's only 42 degrees outside. So hopefully they'll have our heat on ASAP. Otherwise, we're gonna have to figure something out for sleeping arrangements for the thermostat is currently out. I spoke to one of the guys outside and he said it's either gonna be like a couple minutes or it might be a couple hours. So right now we're just kind of waiting it out. It's chilly in here already. Got on the extra layer just because it's getting cold. But yeah, thermostat is out. It's 42 degrees outside.
Like this.
I'm trying to find out, is it just my house? Is it just my house though? Like, he didn't just say ours. He just said ours, Lord. Now I can't stay warm. Okay, hold up. Now I just had to make a candle because we ain't got no power. We ain't got no power back. This is insane. Well, the power. This man said a couple hours. What y'all think? Based on the heavy equipment and artillery that they just pulled out to dig in the ground, how long is it going to take for them to get down there, find out what's wrong, fix what's wrong, and then close this up so that we'll have power? Let me know in the comments. I'm finally get myself together, get me a little overnight bag, and we're about to go to an alternative sleeping rest situation because the lights are still out. So see y'all when y'all get there, let y'all know how this night going and also to get an update of what's going on outside. So that's the update. They still working on. So we finally get here. The elevator is broke. Oh my God, I'm tired. I just want to go to sleep. It's like what, 11:30 now? Hey, you gotta get real, Dad. Hey, with the light, hey. I don't know, look okay. Look back there. Alright, you good. That about to be a peaceful night's sleep. Tell me why. And it's a truck stop right over there. Look at that. I'm tired. I'm ready, bro. I'm so sick of this day. This been a long day. When the power went out, I knew it was gonna go left, but not this far left, right in front of the trucks.